Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your 6 Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to stop your LG TV turning on or off your PlayStation or maybe your Xbox Series X or something like that. So what you want to do is press Settings on your TV remote, go to All Settings right here, click this. Then on the left side of the screen, let's go to General. Then go on down, go to External Devices. Then go to HDMI settings right here. And this is the setting you want to turn it off. It's called HDMI-CEC. If you turn off the power on your TV, your Xbox will turn off as well. If you turn on your TV, your Xbox will turn on and switch over to the input that is connected. So if you turn this off, that won't happen anymore. Only downside is your Xbox won't be able to be controlled with your TV remote anymore. So I don't know if you were doing that before, but if you're watching Netflix or something like that with your TV remote, well, it won't work with HDMI-CEC turned off. So you can also look at your Xbox settings. You can turn off HDMI-CEC in there as well. So if you don't want to do it on the TV side, just turn it off on your Xbox side. And then you can simply use your other devices that are connected to your TV with your TV remote. So just look in the Xbox settings, there should be something there too. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your 6 Tech.